Hi, I'm Tom Burns with Dell EMC, and it's great to have Tom Gillis here from VMware. Thanks for coming, Tom.
Thanks for having me, Tom.
You know, Tom, Dell and VMware have had a history of disruption and innovation in kind of traditional technology markets. I think of, Michael with the PC, Dell with the mainframe to x86, and of course VMware with the virtualization of compute. In the area of networking, obviously VMware has NSX. Number one, clearly or certainly a market differentiation around microsegmentation and network virtualization, and Dell EMC being the first to disaggregate hardware and software with our open networking initiatives. But now we're looking at the WAN. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, the enterprise is becoming more and more mobile. Users are on the move, data's on the move, and the traditional approach to WAN of backhauling all your traffic to a central hub and spoke model, those days are over. And so virtualization is the new technology that allows the customers the freedom and flexibility to adapt these new technologies and at the same time save a bunch of money.
There's a lot of data out there that actually says 50% of the workloads and applications are moving out of the data center, and 90% of the data that's being collected from both that, but also the 5G transformation and the connected devices is occurring at the edge. Yeah. Traditional WAN just isn't going to work, right? It's just too much complexity, too much cost, just too hard to maintain, and really distracting IT from the value associated with that data.
Yeah, about 86 of the Fortune 100 companies have chosen Dell and VMware to help them with network virtualization, and the WAN is the next frontier in this front. And we see a big opportunity to create greater efficiencies for the customer, at the same time a better end user experience. So it's a great opportunity.
That's great, and that's why we're really excited to announce the new Dell EMC SD-WAN solution. This really brings three key differentiators in our mind. Takes the greatness of the VMware software solution and combines it with the greatness of Dell EMC hardware, but also supported by a global, worldwide secure supply chain, and of course, our second to none professional services capability. The second thing is around orchestration, kind of that zero-touch provisioning, that capability to have the box received into the branch office, connect to the orchestration, but not just provide that initial connectivity, but full lifecycle management. This software will be provided by VMware, but it will be independently managed by Dell EMC. And lastly, of course, you've got this optimized multipath capability, taking advantage not only of the customer's connections, but also over 1,000 different devices that are supplied by VMware and its partners to give this capability to provide the best path for the traffic, lower latency, better performance, and assuredness around the connectivity.
Yeah, that's right. In today's distributed enterprise, the WAN needs to be everywhere you want to be, and the partnership